Gonna install a package of hives I just got. There's 2 pounds of bees. That's how they come in the box. We're gonna install them in the hive. Right here's a can of sugar water that they eat on in their travels, and right here's a tab that's connected to a little box with the queen in it. So first step I have to do is get the queen out and none of the bees. So first I pull up the can a little bit to get a grip on it. And I'm going to bang it down, bang the bees down, and then take the queen out. Without too many escaping anyways. They'll find their way into the hive eventually. And there's the queen. I'm going to take a walk, get away from the bees for a second. Here's a cork that keeps the queen in place. Over here I have some marshmallows. I'm going to replace the cork with a marshmallow. And then the bees will eat it from one side and the queens from the other, and give them a chance to get used to each other. So if they don't like each other, then they end up killing the queen. So push the cork in, make sure the queen doesn't escape, and then get the cork past the queen. There we go. There's the queen, there's the marshmallow. Now I'm going to install the queen in the hive with my glove on. We have 5 hives. This one here in the end survived the winter, but the rest of them didn't, so you see I've installed 2 so far, and this is the one we're working on now. So I'm going to put that right in there, like so. These a little closer to hold it in place. Now I'm going to go get the queens, or the bees, and dump them in there. Knock them down again and make them easy to pour out, because that's what you do is you pour them in the hive. Knock them down again. Yeah, they start to get a little annoyed, but what you gotta do, you gotta move them around. So we got the majority in there. This I'll set out the front door. And next I'll put the queen excluder. The queen can't go through here, so anything above this point will just be fresh honey and no eggs or anything. Has a hole in it. We're going to put some sugar water there. We got a container here. Create a vacuum by turning it upside down, and then they'll come and drink out of the little holes there. Put the box on. Line it all up. Good to go. Here's the little hole. You have to find their way in. It looks like they're already going in and out. Now see, here's the queen kind of sticking out. And that's all there is to it.